Weight loss quotes. 20 amazing quotes that have helped many people struggling to lose weight. So, for those of you who find it tough to change the current lifestyle, these top 20 weight loss motivational quotes will really help you. And you can reach your target weight in no time. Number 1. Only I can change my life, no one can do it for me. Carol Burnett. Learn to say no politely but firmly to your friends and family when they lure you into unhealthy habits. Tell yourself why losing weight is important for you. This will keep you motivated. Number 2. Slow and steady wins the race. Robert Lloyd. Don't look for fad diets that have flooded the market. They are called fad for a reason. You will only lose water weight and gain more weight back as soon as you stop the diet. When you start slow, you tend to change your lifestyle gradually. Number 3. The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Robert Tew. When you start working out or eating healthy, it will be difficult to adhere to it. But as you keep doing it, you will be ready for more complex challenges. Number 4. Food, like your money, should be working for you. Rita Detria. If you are spending your money and time to achieve something, it better produce results. Number 5. The road may be bumpy but stay committed to the process. You may not immediately learn the proper way to squat, you may not do 10 push-ups right away, or you may even get injured. But don't let these reasons stop you. Keep learning by staying committed. Number 6. If you are tired of starting over, stop giving up. Shia LaBeouf. For example, if you have the habit of snacking frequently, better snack on healthy foods. If you can't get up in the morning, go to the gym after work or school or work out at home. Number 7. Be the best version of you. Wayne Dyer. You know you can do much better than what you are doing now. This quote will trigger the hormones that will help you become strong-willed. You will be motivated to go an extra mile to reach your weight loss goals. Number 8. Be stronger than your excuse. Bryant McGill. You are way stronger than those excuses. You have achieved so much, you manage everything, you take care of others. Now it is time to take care of yourself. Number 9. It's not a diet, it's a lifestyle change. Incorporate healthy lifestyle gradually so that it's a smooth transition. This will soon become a habit and transform into a healthy lifestyle over a period. Number 10. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Susie Kassem. You deserve to look and feel your best. Failures are stepping stones to success, learn from them and move forward. Number 11. Nothing tastes as good as being thin feels. Elizabeth Berg. Strive to be toned and shapely. You will feel light and be more comfortable with yourself. Number 12. Will is a skill. When it comes to losing weight, your willpower is most important. If it breaks too soon, you will not be able to lose weight. It is tough to endure pain and mental dissatisfaction, but that lasts only a few days. But then you have to train your brain to stay focused and determined. You will develop this skill gradually. It will take time but will give you results in all aspects of your life, not just weight loss. Number 13. Stressed spelled backwards as desserts. Coincidence? I think not. Stress leads to emotional eating, and we tend to overeat, which ultimately leads to weight gain. When you work out and eat well, you will kick the triggers of the stress out of the window. Number 14. An active mind cannot exist in an inactive body. George S. Patton Jr. The more inactive you become, the idler your mind gets. Or even if your mind stays active, it will only work in a negative way. It will send you wrong signals of hunger and dissatisfaction. So, start incorporating at least an hour of physical activity into your daily routine. Number 15. Strive for progress, not perfection. David Perlmutter. Don't be too hard on yourself if you couldn't adhere to your healthy routine today. Tomorrow is a new day and a new chance. Appreciate how much you have achieved and how far you have come. Number 16. Success is never certain, failure is never final. John Wooden. Just because you have failed to lose weight in the past doesn't mean you can never lose weight. What's important is for you to keep learning about your body and how your mind works. Number 17. No amount of security is worth the suffering of a life chained to a routine that has killed your dreams. Maya Mendoza. The fear that you have is the only reason why you have given up on your body. It's never too late to start taking a step towards a fit body. Number 18. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Always write down your goals and give yourself a deadline. Stock your refrigerator with healthy foods, throw out the unhealthy ones. Start getting physically active. Number 19. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Robert Collier. Losing weight is not easy. It requires dedication and effort. It does take time. Repeat your new and healthy habits day in and day out to attain success. And finally, number 20. You can't cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. Rabindranath Tagore. You have to take the plunge, swim, drown, and float again until you reach your destination. Weight loss is not only about looking good, but it is also how you treat your body and soul. Take a step ahead, decide, plan, and then stick to the plan. We love all of them. Stay fit with these 20 motivational quotes for weight loss. Let us know what your weight loss struggles are by commenting below. Never ever ever give up.